Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily create a poll in Facebook Messenger application. Please friends, make sure to put your likes under this video, write your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So friends, let's go ahead and create a questionnaire like this. And I'm going to show you right from the beginning. So, open up the Facebook Messenger application. Next, you will need to go to the group. So you can only create a survey in a group if you have one. If not, then create a group first, and then you can create polls after that. So in the group, you will need to click on this plus at the bottom. Then you'll get this menu with 3 options and select survey here. Now, you will need to put your question in the first line. Then in the next line, you will need to enter your options. You can use either text or, let's say, emoji. As you can see, when I click one emoji, the next option immediately appears. And you can fill them in until you're satisfied with the result. So when you're done, the only thing you have to do is at the bottom click on Create a Survey. And as you can see, it will be created instantly. That's how you can quickly and easily create a poll in the Facebook Messenger app. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.